So it's a continuation of that video. So characteristics of positive personality, in that we are discussing about heal the world. So we have only one world, one surrounding, one environment. At least in some part of life, or at least we should heal something, some part of the world. And that means at least around my working place 10 people are there. I will try to heal their mind. I will try to heal their mind. That's what should be there in the positive personality person, and that will be there in the positive personality person. Heal the world. You cannot heal whole world. At least whatever possible from your side, you heal the world. So that's what I'm trying to say. The people will trying to say, ask me why you are doing these videos, why you are singing, why you are giving the speech, what is the use of your talk and all. I'm satisfied about my replies and my mails and all, my comments. But one thing I just want to say, it's from my side, I'm trying to heal the world, not all over the world. At least 0.0001% of the negativity in the world is removed because of my talk. I am self-satisfied. Okay, so everyone should have this in their mind. Positive personality people will have in their mind, heal the world. Try to heal, not completely. At least you try to heal some part of the world by giving some, by donations, by giving the speech, by writing good articles in papers, by singing. So these are the ways you can heal the world. And by giving food to the needy, by giving education to the needy. And in the doctors, heal the world means mental health. Basic is mental health. If the doctor is mentally strong and very confident, he can work efficiently. If all the doctors are mentally strong and they are been trained about the personality development system, and they will be very mentally very strong and they will work efficiently, and think about the health system of India, health system of the world, where it will be. That's what. So every doctor should be mentally strong. Okay, that's why I'm trying to say it is heal the world. Next comes inspiration. HI stands for inspiration. Inspiration. Everyone, positive personality will have some inspiration from their side. It can be the parents, it can be the kids, it can be the wife, it can be the siblings, it can be the friends, it can be the teachers, it can be the role models, anyone. There should be some inspiration for those people. And I am trying this to say this also. Everyone should have their own inspiration. And I rather call, I also for one more thing, that is impermeable to the negativity and negative thoughts and negativity. You should be impermeable. We all know that our cell, it has a cell membrane which is semi-permeable or selectively permeable. Then why we should be easily permeable? Again, we should also be impermeable to negativity, or semi-permeable, or selectively permeable. Whatever things we want, we will take. Whatever the negative things or negative thoughts, we definitely don't take. J stands for judging the people. Don't be too fast to judge, because you don't know the whole story. So again, there are so many. This has been taught to everyone. I know that, but don't judge the people too fast. Okay, if he has done some mistake, don't judge him and come to the conclusion. Give him some more opportunities, some more chances to correct, to improve himself. That's what they're trying to say. So don't judge the people too fast. Next, K stands for keep it simple. Whenever you are performing, you keep it simple. When you keep your work very simple, your performance will be more efficient and more perfect. This I have been telling you, it is related to performance. This I have been telling to everyone. So keep it simple. Whenever you are doing one work, you keep it simple. So for example, you are doing one class. Keep it simple. You are going at exactly 9 o'clock, class is there. You are going at exactly 9 o'clock or 5 minutes before that. You are putting your PPT, everything done. Exactly 9 o'clock you are starting, and exactly 10 o'clock you are finishing. You are taking attendance and coming back. Keep it simple. No need that you go at 9:10, 9:05, 9. No, not like that. That's what I'm trying to say. When you keep the situation and working simple, it works. Okay, very simple. Keep it simple. Okay. So, for example, if some technician is doing some work, for example, he's testing some HIV or TB. For example, HIV is testing. So he has to pipette it, take it, and discard that vial and those things. Correct procedure if he follows, and make it very simple. One step, one step, second step, third step, fourth step. So it's over. And similarly, when treating also, for nurses who is taking care of the patient, he is a tuberculosis patient, for example, wear the mask, personal protective equipment, what we call it as PPE. And when you are touching the patient, you use those and change the gloves when you are doing for the other person. So you follow the procedures and protocols, then you will definitely succeed. Next comes, yes, L stands for lie. See, there are two things, lies and liars. Lies and liars. Lies means that what you say, and the liars means the people who came to you and say lying. The first thing I can say is, as an administrator, as a positive personality, the positive personality people will lie for good thing. They lie to the patient that you will be okay, such that their ego is boosted up and their confidence is boosted up, and almost the disease, half of the disease is cured by those words. Assurance, that's what we call it as assurance. So you should always, not always, the positive personality person does the negative thing for good reason, good purpose. Ultimately result is good. That's what I'm trying to say. Lie for good reason. Okay? And liars, you should be very careful. That is not acceptable. Liars, not acceptable. And the positive personality person lies for the good reason. Yes. Okay. Next comes M. M stands for maintenance. Maintenance. You have to maintain your success. For example, if you are DM, cardiology, you should maintain that dignity. You cannot fall behind that. For example, your MCH neurosurgery, you cannot fall below that. You should maintain that. That's what I'm trying to say. You learnt hernia operation, hydrocele operation in your MS general surgery. But being the neurosurgeon, if you perform hernia operation and appendix operation and hydrocele operation, you maintain your success. Next, you cannot please everyone all the time. You cannot satisfy everyone all the time. So there are some people who will be dissatisfied or unhappy about you. These things will be there everywhere. Everywhere. Remember this. These unhappy people are there, and you can never please everyone all the times. You can never please everyone all the time. There are some unsatisfied people. There are some unhappy people everywhere because of your decision and because of your working, and you cannot concentrate on them. Okay, so never please everyone all the time. Next comes O stands for open-minded. Being a positive personality or an administration, you should have an open mind. That means you should listen to all the people problems. So the positive personality person will be open-minded. Yes, positive personality person has his own path. His path is always, he walks in his own path. Positive personality person walks in his own path always. Remember that your path is yours. No one can come and walk in your path. Your path is yours. Positive personality person's path, he alone walks in his path and he will succeed. Next, Q stands for question. Whenever you are doing something, question everything. Question to yourself, question to others, question. Questioning is very important. Okay, question. Next stands for R, risks, taking the risk. Don't be afraid of taking educated and calculated risk. I'm saying not all the risk. No, I'm now I'm for example, now I have beaten. For example, I'm fighting boxing. I have beaten. I'm a weight of 60. I have beaten some world record person in 50s. Now I suddenly go to 150 kg back boxing champion and I'll fight. That's not possible. Okay, so what I'm trying to say, educated and calculated risks. Okay, now I have see I'm a very good very fast bowler. Now I will go and directly bowl to Sachin Tendulkar. No. So you should always take a educated and calculated risk. For example, in politics also. Now I have won a Jilla Panchayat election. I will directly become chief minister. It's not possible. Those things are. That's what I'm trying to say. Educated and calculated risks. Now I have passed MBBS. No, I will directly write DM. No, that's not possible. So thinking. Okay, that's what I'm trying to say. Educated and calculated risks. Always don't be afraid to take educated and calculated risks. That then you will definitely succeed. So that's what I'm trying to say. Positive personality person will take educated and calculated risks. Next comes, surround yourselves with the right people. That's what I'm trying. The positive personality person will always be surrounded with the right people. If they are negative also, because of his personality, they will be changed as positive personality and he will create a positive environment. That's what I'm trying to say. Positive personality people will create a positive surrounding. Next, T stands for take it easy. Take yourself easy. Take it easy, no problem, nothing will happen in your life. If you lose some of the opportunities, if you fail for some of the things, no worries. You will definitely succeed. Take it easy. But again, you should bounce back with the same spirit, same energy, and same effort. Okay. And U stands for do not underestimate anyone. Do not underestimate anyone. See, 99% of the people or the students, they fail because of they underestimate. Yeah, I am reading till 4 o'clock. But he has slept at 2 o'clock. No, definitely you will get lesser marks than me. Okay, that is not possible. That won't happen actually. So do not underestimate anyone. You think that you can overestimate him. He has read for till 2 o'clock. That means he has read so much. Yeah. Then you should also read at least 4, 5, 6 o'clock till. That's it. You can overestimate the person, but never underestimate any of your colleagues. Never underestimate any of your colleagues. Next comes versatility. Versatility. Be versatile. Until you achieve success, be versatile. Versatility means you get adjusted or acclimatized to the surrounding situation in the initial stages. That is what you see with the positive personality person. Yes, never forget where you have come from, your roots. You should never forget your roots. Where you have come from, your roots. I proudly say that myself, Dr. Thipperudraswamy, son of S. Tippa Bovi. My mother's name is Kamalakshi, and I born in Hubli, Karnataka, and I live in Shimoga. I studied in Bangalore Medical College 2003 batch. I studied in Karnataka Institute of Medical Science, KIMS Hubli, 2010 batch, and I completed my PG in 2013, and I started working as assistant professor initially in the railways, UPSC Railways, Central Railway Hospital Hubli for 6 months, and later I was appointed as assistant professor in the Department of Microbiology, Basaveshwara Medical College, Chitradurga, Karnataka. And later I went to Karwar Institute of Medical Science, Karwar, and now I am working in Shimoga Institute of Medical Science, Shimoga, and I proudly say that. And I am proud of my institutions where I have learnt and where I have worked, and I proudly say wherever I go, whatever may be the situation, whatever may be the scenario, I will proudly say that. Some misunderstandings will happen, that's not a problem, but I proudly say that. I worked there. I worked in Karwar Institute of Medical Science. I worked in Shimoga Institute of Medical Science. I worked in Basveshwara Medical College. I studied in Bangalore Medical College. I studied in KIMS Hubli. So these are the things which you are proud of actually. Whatever you are, you have learned something or the other from the institutions where you work and where you have studied. Those things will be there. Those blessings of the institutions will be there on your head so that you are achieving success. That's why remember, the positive personality people will always remember their roots, will always be proud of their roots. And I proudly say that I belong to a Bowie community. Bowie Vadas community. I proudly say that I belong to a Bowie Vadas community and I live in Karnataka. And I proudly say that I have done MBBS, MD microbiology, and I am now working in Shimoga Institute of Medical Science. So these are the things which you should be proud of. So never forget where you come from. So remember roots. Whenever you are doing any work, whenever you become successful or anything, there should be from you they say in Hindi, mitti ki boo aani chahiye aapki. The roots, soils, smell should come from you. Especially this is possible with the poor people and middle class people. They have the middle class values. I'm not saying all rich people are bad. So I belong to a middle class people and community, and I say that we have middle class values, that giving respect to the elders, early morning getting up and doing pujas and doing bhajans, singing slokas. These all things shows that how we are grown up. So and I'm proud of it. I am proud of it. So next thing you have to remember is you cannot be a Xerox copy of someone else. X stands for Xerox copy. You cannot be a Xerox copy of them. For example, I admire Sri Sachin Tendulkar sir. I admire in politics, I admire Sri Sidramaya sir. In politics, I admire Sri Bangarappa sir, Sri Madhu Bangarappa sir, Sri Yediyurappa sir. And these are the people I admire, but I cannot be a Xerox copy of them. Again, I am definitely different. In the speech, I admire Mr. Sandesh Maheshwari sir, but I cannot be a Xerox copy of him. My speeches are different, my talking way is different, and my intentions are different. I already told you, heal the world. Whatever possible from your side, try to heal the world at least 0.0001%. You cannot do all the works for money. That's why heal the world. That's what I'm trying to say. So you cannot be a Xerox copy of anyone. You are different, and those persons are people are. But you can admire some people, but you cannot be a Xerox copy of that. Amitabh Bachchan sir is there. He's a big our megastar of Bollywood. Abhishek Bachchan sir is there. Abhishek Bachchan sir is completely different from Amitabh Bachchan sir. He cannot be the Xerox copy of Amitabh Bachchan sir. Again, Amitabh Bachchan sir is a big megastar, big man. Even Abhishek Bachchan sir is also a big superstar. But he cannot be the replica of that. Similarly, what I am trying to say, we can never be a replica of anyone. Even Kapil Dev sir is there. No, there can never be a replacement for Kapil Dev sir. So likewise, you cannot be the Xerox copy of anything. You always be yourself. And you should be. You should be yourself also. And again, be you. Be yourself. Be yourself. There are some negativities in you also, but remove that. But try to be again perfect as possible, and stop doing the mistakes what you have done earlier, and try to become more and more perfect. Improve yourself. Be yourself. And last but not the least, this actually I have not told anyone and anyway, and no one has told. I prefer these positive personality people will be zoophilics. That stands for zoophilic. Zoophilic means they are animal lovers. See, getting attached to any animal is very hard. Remember that. Animal loving is very difficult. No animal will get attached to you so easily. And be animal loving, zoophilic, love animals. Be with the animals, dogs, cats, anything, any animals. Be with the animals. you rare animals, those things will definitely will help you to. What I'm trying to say, this positive personality people have that characteristic of they are animal lovers. Okay, so likewise, lastly I want to just finalize what are the things. So ABCD, there are 26 characteristics. Apart from those, confidence, commitment, discipline, dedication and determination, these are 26 rules of positive personality person. So the rules are: first is attitude or attention, B, believe in yourself, choices, make good choices, D, for you are different, so just like a fingerprint, you are different, so you think different, you work different. Okay, and E stands for explore opportunities, new opportunities. It cannot be like if you are a doctor, you don't keep on working and all. So I am a doctor, I am a singer, I am a writer, I am an author of the book, I am a politician also. So likewise, explore the new opportunities. And next one is F stands for fail until you succeed. So keep trying, never give up. Okay. FG stands for greedy. Be greedy until you are not troubling anyone. And H stands for heal the world. Positive, try to heal the world as much as possible from your side. Not that you keep on healing the world. No. Just as much as possible, apart from your regular work and regular things, you try to heal. At least if you are able to heal 0.001% of the world, it's good. Next comes inspiration. So you have so many inspirations. It can be mother, father, parents, daughter, son, wife, and teachers, friends, anyone, role models, anything. So I also do impermeable to the negative things. Judge, don't be too fast to judge anyone. So keep it simple. K stands for keep it simple. Liars and lie. Positive personality people lie for only good reasons and good results. And keep it simple. Positive personality people will have their own simple way of doing the work. And positive personality people will maintain their success. And positive personalities will never try to please everyone. There are some people who are unsatisfied, they know that, so they never try to please everyone. They will be open-minded and they walk in their own path, and they always question why, and risk. They take educated and calculated risks. They are surrounded with the right people, that is positive people, and they take everything about them easy. They take it easy. They never underestimate anyone. They are versatile. The positive personality people are versatile. That means they get adjusted easily to the situation. So they remember their roots. That myself, Dr. Thipperudraswamy, son of Estipa Bovi. My mother's name is Kamalakshi. My wife's name is Dr. Anita Lakshmi. And I am born in Hubli and I live in Shimoga. I studied my MBBS in Bangalore Medical College and I did my PG in KIMS Hubli. I worked in Basveshwar Medical College, Chitradurga as assistant professor. Later I worked in Karwa Medical College and Shimoga Institute of Medical Science. I'm proud of it. And never forget your roots. That's what I'm trying to say. So where you come from, don't forget it. Okay? And you cannot be the Xerox copy of anyone. And you. So it is you. Be yourself and continue to be yourself. Okay? And last but not the least, animal love. Z stands for zoophilic. All the positive personality people will be animal lovers. So I remember. So this is the alphabetic rule of positive personality, and this is seen in positive personality people. So these are alphabetic rule of positive personality, alphabetic characteristic features of positive personality people. So it's there in the book and it is my own. It is not there anywhere. So try to follow this. Thank you so much. Myself, Dr. Thipperudraswamy. I have written book on personality development system, and this is related to the feedback, and I'm trying to explain what is this positive energy, positive people. This video is completely dedicated to positive personality. It is divided into two parts, part 1 and part 2. Please do see that. Listen to both the part 1 and part 2. Thank you so much. Jai Ganesh, Jai Shri Ram.